Hello my 7th standard students. So here with the next example which is given on page number 66. In our previous video we saw the first example about the partnership and I have introduced about what the partnership means. Am I right? So see the next example. Chinmay and Sam invested a total of 1,30,000 rupees in a business in the proportion of 3:2 respectively. What amount did each of them invest? If their total profit was 36,000 rupees, what is the share of each? Get the question first. Chinmay and Sam invested. This both person they invested total amount 1,30,000 rupees. As I told you, the amount which is required or amount which is put to start a business or any enterprise, any kind of office work, any business. So that amount is known as capital. Am I right? So this is the capital amount. This is the capital amount. So Chinmay and Sam invested 1,30,000 rupees in a business and their proportion is 3:2. In our previous video we saw their investment amount is given and we found the ratio from that investment amount. Am I right? So here the ratio is given, we have to find, and as you can see the investment amount has given together. दोनों का investment amount साथ में दिया हुआ है. So by using this proportion you have to find out their separate investment first. Are you getting me? By using this ratio you have to find out their separate investment first. Then they got the profit of this. So you have to separate their profit as well by using the same ratio, because the proportions given for the capital amount is this. So you have to use the same proportion for to find out their separate profit. Okay. So see the solution how we have to start it. Example second. Solution. First, if the shared profit is given in proportions 3:2, so their profit proportion will be 3:2. First, Chinmay's investment we don't know and Sam investment we don't know as well, because their investment has given together. ये दोनों का investment है 1,30,000. So first we have to write, we have to suppose Chinmay's investment B. You can choose any letter. Suppose I'm taking 3y, and Sam's investment is 2x. Why I took this 3y and 2x? See here the proportion is given. The proportion is 3:2. So this 3 is for Chinmay and this 2 is for Sam. So you have to suppose Chinmay's investment is 3y. And Sam's investment is 2y. Okay. Now prepare an equation. 3y plus 2y is equal to what? Capital amount 1,30,000. 1,30,000. Why we are doing like this? To find out their separate investment. Am I right? To find out their separate investment, because इन लोग का investment यहाँ साथ में दिया हुआ है. That we have to separate it first. जब हम separate investment find out करेंगे उसके बाद हम दोनों का separate profit easily find out कर सकते हैं. So before that we have to prepare an equation like 3y plus 2y is equal to 1,30,000. 3y plus 2y, that is 5y, is equal to 1,30,000. Keep y as it is over here, because phi is given with the multiplication. Whenever you will take phi at the right hand side of equal sign, it will comes in division. So 1,30,000 upon 5 divided 1,30,000 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. 15 will be bigger than 13, so 5 twos are 10, carry 3. Because it's 13, it becomes 65, 6 are 30. 30 will be as it is. This is what? Y is equal to 26,000. Y is equal to 26,000. This is what? This is the shared investment. This is the shared investment. अभी हमने shared investment find किया. ये किसी particular person का, मतलब चिन्मय या सैम का investment नहीं है. This is the shared investment. This is shared investment. Okay. By using this ratio means 3:2, you have to find out the separate investment. It means what? Therefore, Chinmay's investment is equal to investment is equal to, Chinmay's ratio is 3y. So 3 will be as it is, multiplied by the value of y. You have to take 26,000 upon is equal to 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18, 8 carry 1, 3 2 are 6 and 1 7, 78,000. Like this you have to find out the SAM's investment. SAM's investment, I'm writing in short. Okay, the SAM's ratio is what? 2y. 2 multiplied by y is 26,000. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, so 2 6 are 12, 2 carry 1, 2 2 are 4 and 5, 52,000. See, this is the Chinmay's investment 78,000 and this is the SAM investment 52,000. In that 1,30,000 both investment is 70,000 and 52,000. Am I right? Like this you have to find out the shared investment first. But before that particular investment, you have to find out the shared investment like this. So this is about their separate investment. Before that you have to find shared investment. By using the shared investment amount, you have to multiply it with the ratio which is given in the equation, that was 3:2, and find out the separate investment. Then the next is you have to find out the shared profit, because they got the profit of 3,600. So by using the same process you have to find out the shared profit. Are you getting me? So see how you have to find out the shared profit. Like this you have to suppose something, because we don't know their shared profit. Suppose the Chinmay's profit be 3. Here we took 3y, so you can take 3x, and SAM's profit be 2x. Here we took 2y and 3y, so you can use any other alphabet. Suppose the Chinmay's profit be 3x and SAM's profit be 2x. Now make an equation like before. 3x plus 2x is equal to, their shared profit is 36,000. 3x plus 2x, that is 5x, is equal to 36,000. Now 5 is in multiplication with this x. Keep x as it is over here and take 5 is in division, because whenever you will take 5 in at the right hand side, that will comes in division 5. Now divided, x is equal to 36,000 upon 5. At the unit place 0 is there, so we can divide it by 5 easily. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35. So we can take 5 7s are 35, because 35 is smaller than 36. Carry 1, it became 10. 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0. This is what? X is equal to 7,200. This is what? This is the shared profit. This is the shared profit. Like we found the shared investment, like this is the shared profit. This is not a profit of Chinmay's or SAM. This is a profit of both. This is a profit of both. So by using this value, you have to find out their particular profit or their separate profit. Therefore, Chinmay's profit. What is the ratio for Chinmay's? 3x. So 3 multiplied by the value of x is 7,200. Or 7,200. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. 21,600. Then SAM's profit. Therefore, SAM's profit is equal to 2x. 2 multiplied by x, nothing is there. It means multiplication is there. 2 multiplied by the value of x, 7,200. That is 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. See, 14,400. So in this shared profit, Chinmay's profit is 21,600 and SAM's profit is 14,400. Why the Chinmay's profit is bigger? Because the invested amount of Chinmay's is more. That's why he got the more profit than the SAM's profit, and the invested amount of the SAM's is less than the Chinmay's. That's why he got the less profit. So like this, you have to find out the ratio. First you have to find out the shared investment, then their particular investment, then shared profit, then their personal profit. Am I right? Hope you understand this. So try to solve this solution in a notebook. For this, thank you.